Vice President Constantino Chiwenga reportedly snapped President Emmerson Mnangagwa's State of Nation address SONA on Tuesday, amid reports of deepening power struggles between the two leaders. Sarabina mashoko anachibvunza achiti, did Chiwenga snap Mnangagwa SONA panguva ino nekuda kwematensions aripo between the two leaders ari kuonekwa kunzi malevels aave panguva ino haachamisiki. Ndinoda subscribe like on the bell icon. Zimba inobudanira achiti, reliable sources at Parliament confirmed that Chiwenga was absent during the high-profile event, which was dramatically interrupted by a power blackout when Mnangagwa was still delivering his address. In course, this happened at a time when tensions between the president and his deputy are escalating over Mnangagwa's reported bid to extend his term beyond constitutional limits, said one parliamentary source. The same source claimed the power outage was not a coincidence but a calculated move to send a warning to Mnangagwa. The incident was deliberate and planned. I can tell you Vice President Constantino Chiwenga did not attend the State of Nation address. It was a deliberate attempt to embarrass Mnangagwa, the source said. Another insider alleged that personnel from the Military Intelligence Department MID were responsible for cutting the power during the address. We know who switched off the power, yet we will wait and see, the source added. The blackout, which left the chamber in darkness for several minutes, has sparked widespread speculation about internal divisions within the ruling ZANU-PF, with some interpreting it as a symbolic show of defiance against Mnangagwa's leadership. The Parliament of Zimbabwe has since issued an apology over the power mishap. Ndomashoko ari kuda panapa mberi yeZimbabwe chitiko aiwa chashamisa vanhu panguva ino uchionekwa kunzi vipi Constantino Chiwenga is snapped this crucial event, and at the same time kunoonekwa kunzi kwaitika mapower blackouts, kuonekwa kunzi vipi Constantino Chiwenga angasipo zvekare pagara vanhu matensions aripo. The Military Intelligence Department zvekare iyowo ichitaura mashoko achiti aiwa kuenda kwemagetsi yanga isiri problem yezesa but it was a planned attack. Mashoko arinyatsobuda panguva ino kuno kwanzi mutungamiri wenyika yeMazimbabwe Mnangagwa zvinhu hazvina kumirira zvakanaka. Pinda comment section medu budza mafunguro enyu mauri kudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.